viewers, right now, as you can see, we have been arrested from our NUP Gulu office. As always, we went there to sit down and have a press conference. We have been arrested brutally by state operatives. We don't know, they came down in non-uniforms, but heavily harmed, even with their teeth, because they were biting us, they were beating us. They really, you can see.
You can see they have how they have biting me.
They have been using not only their weapons to hit us, but their teeth as well.
Look at what these guys have done to me.
Okay.
Just look at it.
This is very unlawful.
Even my back.
Very uncalled for. We have bruises everywhere. Their tooth, they were biting us, and then the weapon they were hitting us with.
They were hitting us with AK-47.
Yes, that was very bad. We are not criminals. We are only there to do what our party demands us to do, which is a press conference. We were to update our comrades in the region every week, a weekly press conference. That's what we went there to do. And they came arresting us and brutally doing that. We strongly condemn this, and anyone watching this from outside there, do this. I am Mungu, Gwetoo,
General Sebastian Ogoni. I want to tell you, comrade, let us know that the struggle to free our land and to free our people, it is upon us. Nobody will do it for us. These people, they are just the minorities, and they think they can make a decision on the behalf of a majority that benefit only the few minorities in their system. We will not give up in the struggle, and we continue to demand that our land in Apa must be freed, our land in Acholi must be free, and we don't want Balalo in our land. We want also all the political prisoners, including ourselves. Today, we are not political prisoners. We must be freed in Jesus' name. Those ones who are there and they think they will use their power to intimidate us, to threaten us, you are just wasting your time.
Our spirits are not lifted. Our spirits are not dead.
No, we will never die. Because even if you kill my body, my spirit will live. Okay, so just know the struggle is on, and we are not giving up.
We are fighting for corruption. We are fighting corruption. Corruption should have no space in this country. And Mr. Museveni, instead of intimidating the youth, instead of arresting and brutalizing the young people fighting for corruption, focus on cleaning your house. In this also, I want to send a strong warning to the police that Parliament has become a corruption crime scene. And please go and cordon off Parliament, because it's a crime scene for corruption.
Now, why do you have to beat us if we have done something bad? People power, our power.